So welcome to have you back at my place, Matthew.
Thank you. Happy
And
to
I
be here.
enjoy every moment of you staying at my place, hanging around with you, and even the guests them at my place enjoy you every moment. Too.
Respect, man.
One love.
Having a blast here.
So this is the Orthodox Church. It's the closest place to my freelance Airbnb place. So when you come and turn in Kano Road at the bridge, don't enter the bridge if you're coming from Port Antonio side. You see the bus stop, and where the bus stop is, you just make the right turn and come to Kano Road. If you're coming from Kingston or Negril side, as you enter over the bridge at the bus stop, you make the right turn and follow the road up the river. On this road, sometimes you see 2 cars parked on the road, a red car and a step. That's where you must stop. And when you stop there, you can just turn down the hill. And like I said before, you will see the Orthodox Church.
It's very easy now because it shows up right on Google Maps as Chucky's freelance homestay or something like that. So you can even put it in Waze or Google Maps and you'll actually have Chucky's thing come right up. So it'll lead you right here.
Right here.
Which is so nice.
And to be honest, the people for the church, me and them move so good and have a good relationship. So you can park here if you want. It's a safe place. Or if you don't want to park here, you can even park on the road because the community is safe.
Yeah, it's a chill place.
No crime, no robbery, nothing.
No, it's so relaxed around here. Even in Hope Bay, I don't know, I feel very comfortable hanging around the village, going into restaurants, talking to people, going to hardware store. It's a very, very welcoming
no stress.
community here. Yeah.
No stress. And here's my new freelance bike, you know.
Yeah.
See? New freelance bike, you know.
So sick.
I just get it to take around people freelance style. I don't even charge people because a couple of days ago I take the guest to Boston Bay and she put gas in it just like that, nothing more.
Nice.
And I have 2 bicycles here, but to be honest, the guests them angle the bicycle not so good and the bicycle break, you see?
The chain needs some work, looks like.
I need a new derailleur.
Okay.
And this one, the hair gone out the front with it, puncture. But I'm feel so lazy, that's why I didn't fix it as yet.
You're not lazy, you're always doing something. What do you mean? You got 100 things to do.
Yeah,
so.
that's true. Because I have to take care of my place.
Laziness is something different. Not having the priority on that is
well, I think you're right.
And this is Boston here. So if you watch my old tour video I did with Chucky, Boston was just a little puppy. And now he's a big man. Big dog.
Yeah. And like we said before, this is one of the new room, but it's a lady from Switzerland stay in this room, and now she took off to Kingston from yesterday morning. Right now she don't return, so I don't really know what happened to her because she don't text me nor nothing. So
she's probably having a good time.
I think so too, and I hope so. She having a real good, super nice time.
So these are the new rooms.
Yeah,
here's my room that I've been staying in, so don't mind the mess, but it's been super comfortable. Yeah, the windows cool you off at night. You got a couple shelves, very convenient. You can see I've been enjoying myself. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. And yeah, big bed and comfortable sheets and mosquito net if you need it, although you don't really need it mostly. Spot to dry your clothes.
Yeah. And this is some guy from England.
AKA Callum.
Yeah, man.
Can I show the room?
Yeah,
real
man.
quick?
Of course, man.
Shit, Ollie's in here.
This
Show
is
whatever you would like.
This is my friend from England, staying with me for like 1 month, 40 days.
Yeah.
But he's a little bit crazy. He's crazy, but this one was super crazy. And two, I'm a crazy guy, we get along so good, you know? Right? To be honest? Yeah. To be honest? Yes, so they enjoying themselves around me. And like I said before, if I go away, this kid take care of my place, represent the guests around and show them if I'm not here, just like Michael, you know? One love, yeah? Yeah. Everything nice, you know?
Thanks, guys. This is the big room. Is this the biggest room, Chucky?
Yeah,
this is the biggest one. Okay.
This is a lovely room, man.
King size.
And this is Super Charlie.
Super Charlie.
Charlie. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He'll join you on walks.
The Super Charlie.
Take you all around.
And this is the room too, but some guests pumping last night, you know, to away from United States.
This is the room I was in last time, so if you want to see inside this room, you can see the other video.
Yeah. And we have everything on the table. Plantain, grapefruit,
Yes.
cactus, everything is here, you know?
Everything you need to share.
Yeah.
Chill out. Very important for most people.
Wi-Fi.
Yep.
Yes. So when you come, you can just zoom in on the Wi-Fi and do what you want, you know? Look around.
Very important.
Well, to be honest, I don't know if this lady want to go on YouTube with the camera or thing like that, so we cannot just zoom it around and her, you know.
I don't mind.
Okay.
It's just a 360. This is Gwendolyn. Hi, Gwendolyn.
Oh.
Hey.
So I don't mind going on the camera, you know.
We're just doing the 360 tour
Yeah.
quick.
So you can come inside and she making breakfast.
What's
plantain.
getting cooked today?
Plantain. Fried plantain.
Yes. And these ones are grown on Mako's yard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Super nice.
So yeah, tons of storage, fridge for everyone. Yeah, perfect. Convenient. Little table.
Freelance bar.
Yeah, this just was in the works when I came last time, and now it's full on.
Yes, full
Yeah,
on.
it's awesome.
Everything up and run. Smooth, going good, you know. Super nice. But outside,
Wait, tell me a bit more about the bar before we escape, because you got all the beers and drinks you would want. You got the nice cold fridge,
yes.
and then you
Yeah.
just keep track of it. Just pay in the jar.
Just keep track if you want. If you don't want to pay as you drink, you just keep track like what Matthew said.
Yeah.
Remember how much you take. But otherwise, you could just put the money inside your freelance style.
It's very convenient because everywhere else I always got to go, oh, I got to go get beer, and then
Yeah.
forget how many I had, and then not get enough, and then here it's just always cold, you load it up whenever you want. So.
Got the fridge super new, so it make it super cool so fast, you know.
And the sound system is the sound system new too?
Yes.
Yeah, so there's always good, I don't know, freelance, like you said, anyone can put in whatever music they
Yeah,
want
man,
to
say the
hear.
code.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah. And remember, when you take something from the fridge, you just put back one.
Yeah.
Just freelance style, you know.
Sure.
If you take a Cranberry water, a Red Stripe beer, or Heineken or a Pepsi, you just replace it back with one, you know. That means they can continue roll on and cool, you know.
Got it.
Yeah. And this is where the empties keep, you know.
Yeah. I got some empties in my room. I gotta bring them out
I
here.
know. And this is my freelance friend from Germany, was doing the painting over here. To be honest, I can't find word for that, you know.
Yeah. This got done up in a day. Not even a day.
It's so super nice, you know.
I think I did get a couple pictures
Shot.
before, so I'll try and link them below because it was
Yes.
just great.
Yeah, you
that's
show
it.
them when it's just great, and now you have the picture to show them when you do some nice work. You know?
Yes.
Right. The artist, you know. Super good.
Respect.
Super good.
And there's a piece by the bridge too, if someone wants to look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how it works.
So this
Lots of pieces here.
a lot of pieces all over, yeah, buddy.
Gums.
Yeah. So this is the female washroom, right?
Yeah.
Or a washroom and shower area? Yeah. Okay. So you got a big washroom, still get a bit of nature in. Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, there was only the one washroom now. Now that you've scaled up a couple new rooms, you got
Yeah.
two.
Two.
So very,
Two.
yeah.
This is for the male.
It's for the dudes.
Yeah.
Nice. So yeah, you got your main washroom, everything you need.
And round here, so
Looking out on the jungle, real nice.
Here is the shower
Mm-hmm.
for the male.
Nice. Outdoor showers rule. I love that here.
Super good.
Just looking out onto the forest. And then yeah, washing up station
Yes.
or laundry here.
Laundry here.
Yeah, everything you would need.
And this is like a chill out table. If you just want to stay here and chill and have a smoke and drink from the bar, you can just hang out here if you don't want to hang on the veranda. You know? Make it more freelance. And over here, this is my tomato. I sow them and I want to transplant them in front of the veranda. And I have some marijuana too. You know?
No, that's not marijuana, that's just herbs.
Yeah.
That's oregano.
Okay.
Okay? That's oregano. Forget what Chucky said, he's growing oregano herbs.
And here is for the utensils. So whatever time you cook, you just bring them here and get them clean. Super nice. You know? Yeah. And the guys, they wash and hang the clothes on the line, you know. But now he gone to Oak Bay to look for his money
Okay.
from his mom, you know.
So barbecue. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think you had this last year, but
No, it is.
oh, no,
It,
there's a different one.
it break.
Okay.
So I have to set up a different one, you know.
And this whole area too, barbecue zone,
Yeah, man.
machete zone,
And roast breadfruit.
and there's so many coconut right now. there's a whole bunch just on the ground. Anytime you want a coconut, you can just lick one down and chop it up. And
Yeah.
oh, do you want to show me the tent? Because that's new. Another new thing down by the hammock chill area.
Yes. These guys from England, they always like to sleep in the hammock, you know.
Really?
Yes, they sleep in it last night, one of them, you know.
Oh, nice.
So like I said, this is the new freelance home for freelance Chucky, you know. I sleep in it last night, you know. And it was so good, so comfortable. But to be honest, I'm gonna make it more super comfortable. You can show them inside, you know. What it look like.
Yeah, it's like good 2-3 person tent.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. If need be.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put a piece of sponge in it, you know, to make it more relaxed
Yeah.
and comfortable. So whenever time people call and say want to come and the place full, I can tell them about the tent.
That's
'Cause
awesome.
Some people will love to stay in tent too.
Yeah, totally.
Some people don't even want to stay in room for if the weather is going good. Some people like this kind of lifestyle, you know, to just sleep in nature, you know.
And then if a room opens up or whatever, you know, they can hop in. But
Yeah.
that's so nice of you, man, to let
Yeah.
someone stay for free in a
Yeah, man.
tent. That rules.
No problem.
And yeah, look at all the coconut everywhere.
Coconut
So,
soup. You have
so many
much
different
coconut.
foods and plants. So, anything else you want to mention about the place, or?
Yes, the place open and welcome for everybody around the world, you know. Once you want to come to Jamaica, you know. And like I said before, always, if you're coming for the first time to Jamaica, I'm not giving myself no self-praise because we are all human and we can have error in life. But to get a good experience for the first time, I think you should link up with Freelance Chucky, you know, because to be honest, I'm here to protect the people right around Jamaica and not to lead them in a bad way, not tell them nothing bad, you know. And I want them to get the fair, good share of Jamaica. So if a red stripe base for $300, you cannot tell the people say it's $400. I don't believe in this thing. I don't work this way, you know. No, I want to show the people the love and the definitely direct good way, because I'm not a short-term thinker. I'm a long-term thinker. So I don't here to just take money from tourists. I like to build relationship. That's even when the people go away, they can take up their phone and call me and say, Chucky, wagwan, everything good? I want to come back to Jamaica, to your place, you know. I don't run people from me.
That's why you have so many repeat guests here. I'm a repeat guest myself. There's another at least 3 or 4 repeat guests. There's people from Oakland, California,
Netherlands.
Mississippi, Chicago, Netherlands, Germany, England. And it's been awesome because there's a really good crew of kind of like-minded, cool guests to hang out
Yes.
with. This is really for travelers, not the average tourist.
No.
And so it's I don't know, I've met so many cool people on this trip. Same way last time.
Yeah.
But even more full this time.
Yes,
So I don't know, it's
super
been awesome hanging here.
Yes.
So yeah.
Just when you come to Jamaica, like I said before, just check me out, man, and I will make everything work for you in the right and proper way, you know. I don't cheat people, you know. And like I say again, I'm long-term thinker. I'm a people person. And I always say people before money. And once you do that, money will come into play. You know?
Yeah.
Remember this motto. Remember people before money. Respect the people and love the people and share with the people. Give back to the people. Just don't take everything from the tourists. Give back something and make people appreciate, say, oh, I was at Chucky place and it was a nice place and this guy look after me good. Spread the good news, not the bad news, you know. That's what we're here for. Okay?
Okay.
One love, macho.
Yes,
Respect every
respect.
time, you know. And you're welcome to my place, you know.
Thank you. I'll
One
be
love.
back for sure. I'm going to show them the river quick
Yes.
and then that's it.
No problem.
All right. Thanks, Chucky. Yeah. So we might have finished the tour off the same way last time, but just look at all the coconut down there. And the river is really close and it's nice fresh water. So you can come for a swim, watch some birds, watch the Jenga jumping around, try to catch little crabs, although they're very fast. It's not as easy as you think. And you're gonna wanna watch your step, probably wear flip-flops or sandals of some kind here. But I'll show on how close it is here. I mean, that bridge is where the ocean is. So it's very close to the water. There's little shops very close if you need, laundry detergent or some tin mackerel or any kind of supplies that you need, like all within walking distance. A few really nice restaurants, fruit stands, it's all right in Hope Bay. And up the river, there's an incredible swimming hole. So I'll put a link to that video down there where there's a big blue deep swimming area with a little island. You can do jumps off it and dive. It's been wonderful. So highly recommend Chucky's Place myself. Like I said, I've been here a number of times now, and I will definitely be coming back again. And I've seen a number of people who were in not ideal situations, whether they were promised something and it wasn't what they were promised, or maybe not treated that well, or maybe getting overcharged where they were at. And I've seen Chucky save the day on so many different people. And if you start your trip here, I guarantee you're gonna get off on the right start to your trip in Jamaica. So definitely check this place out, and hope you come and enjoy Portland, Jamaica. Freelance Chucky.